Thousands of people have been evacuated and flights disrupted after a volcano erupted again in Indonesia's Mount Ruang. Officials say that the volcano in Archipelago's North Sulawesi province has erupted at least 3 times on Tuesday, prompting fears debris might fall into the sea and cause a tsunami. Footage shared by the Food Indonesia's disaster mitigation agency showed strikes of lightning flashes above Ruang's crater on fiery red clouds of lava and rocks were thrown into the air. The agency said that all 843 residents living in Ruang Island, where the volcano is located, that has been removed. Have been moved from that place. In addition, some 12,000 people from the neighboring Tagulandang Island are being evacuated, with 2 ships deployed to help with the process.
1-2-3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।